Hi friends, I'm Amrita from Amrita Teaches. Friends, we have been putting in a lot of effort every day to learn English, to pronounce the words correctly, grammar, vocabulary, and everything that revolves around the English language. But what is English? Have you ever thought about it? English is the language of England, a country whose famous capital is London and the one that is a part of the United Kingdom. The English language has originated from England. In today's modern world, English has become the global lingua franca. It is the language that joins people together, those people who have different native languages but know a common language in which they can speak with each other. It is a language of trade, it is an auxiliary language, it is a linking language. You will be surprised to know that there are more number of people who have learned English as a second language than there are the number of native speakers themselves. And do you know what these native speakers are called? They are known as Anglophones. Have you ever thought about why English became the global language and not some other language in the world? The reason is the global superpower America, the United States of America, has English as their native language. Hence, everything that is in the media, be it in printed form, in audios, in videos, is always in English. We all very well know how much influence Britishers had all over the world in the 17th, 18th and 19th centuries because they have ruled India also. So we very well know the influence, the geopolitical stand that they had during these 300 years of their rule all around the world, which is a second reason why English is a global language and it is the leading language. And just a fun fact that we all should know when we study British English versus American English is that British English is undergoing changes under the influence of American English. And why is that so? Because America is a superpower. Hence, there's a lot of influence that America has over the world media and in prints, videos, news, etc. There is a small model that is used to study the history of English and how English has spread all over the world and has been adopted by a lot of people. This model has three small circles: the inner circle, the outer circle, and the expanding circle. We Indians belong to the outer circle. Now, what do these three circles mean? The inner circle is the one where English is the native language for most of the people in that country. The best examples are the United States and of course the United Kingdom from where English has originated. The outer circle where we Indians belong is the one where the native speakers are comparatively smaller but English is widespread as a second language. The ESL training that we get, English as a second language, is widespread in India today. Hence, India belongs to the outer circle. The third circle, which is the expanding circle, is the one where English is spreading a little bit now, and countries like China, Russia, etc. come in this sphere. And this was a wee bit of information from Amrita Teaches about the English language to you guys. If you liked this video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button because there's a lot more that is going to come in the next few days. Stay tuned, stay updated, keep sharing. Bye.